everyone, welcome back to Cosmoholic Sakshi. So in today's video I'll be sharing another skincare haul video from my favorite skincare brand, that is Plum Goodness. So Plum is India's first beauty brand that is 100% vegan, cruelty free, it's free from all nasties, and that's the reason I like this brand so much. So this month Plum is celebrating their birthday month and they are celebrating their 6th birthday anniversary, and you'll get up to 40% off site-wide. Plus there are many more exciting offers and deals going on their website this month. So I will mention the website's link down in the description box below. Like if you shop for rupees 12.99 and above, you'll get their star product, that is the Kohl Kajal pencil, as a gift. You're getting this Kajal pencil as a free gift. Plus if you shop for rupees 1,999 and above, you'll get their green tea travel edition for free. This is a complete day to night skincare regime kit. This costs for rupees 11.49. Can you believe this, guys? You're getting such amazing stuffs as a free gift. This time Plum has sent me a few products. These are the products, and I'm super excited to try them out. Like some of them I have already tried it earlier, but some are new to me. I'll be doing a complete review, demo and a first impression kind of a video. So if you guys are interested, then please keep on watching. So the first product that I have here is this Plum's Chamomile and Great Tea Glow Getter Mask, and I really love the packaging. It's of cardboard and just look at the color, it's so vibrant, so cute. This is a 60 gram of the product which costs for rupees 490. This is 100% vegan. Then it comes in a glass jar. Inside it has a plastic shield to it. Then it's white in color. It looks something like this. It has very smooth creamy texture to it, and I can feel the smell. It's so pleasant, so refreshing. I generally apply it using my fingers. You can use a brush if you want, and it spreads amazingly, effortlessly. I just feel so refreshed, and I love the fragrance that it has. And as you can see that it extracted all the dirt and oil from my skin, all the impurities from my skin, leaving it soft and refreshed behind. I just love the texture of this mask, and you can see my skin is already glowing. I feel so refreshed. My skin is so soft and supple. I just love this mask. The second product which is new to me is this Kohl Kajal pencil. This is 1.25 grams of the product which cost for rupees 425, and you are getting a sharpener worth rupees 150 free inside this box. So I'm pretty excited to use this Kajal pencil because I have already seen many videos on YouTube, and I just love the pigmentation that it has, and I'm extremely in love with its color payoff and texture that it has. It's 100% smudge proof, waterproof, ophthalmologically tested, and I personally use it as an eyeliner because I love the gel-like consistency that it has and the kind of finish it provides to my eyes, and I can say now that I'm addicted to this kajal. It's that good. So last I have this Plum Green Tea Skincare Kit in Travel Edition. This is best suited for oily skin, acne prone skin. This is a complete skincare routine from day to night. It has 5 steps in it, and this retails for rupees 1149. It has a polyphenol which is their certified organic green tea extract. It has glycolic acid in it which removes the dead skin cells. Lastly, this is made up of 100% non-comedogenic ingredients. That means it won't clog your pores. So step 1 is cleansing. It's their face wash. It has a very light gel kind of a texture with some exfoliating beads in it which gently removes all the impurities from my skin. It has a very mild fragrance to it which I personally like, and you can see my skin is not at all stretchy. It's kind of glowing from inside, and it's soft and supple. Step 2 is face mask. So this mask is a clay based mask which absorbs excess oil, and the glycolic acid present in it helps remove all the dead skin cells from the skin surface. After applying it, my skin feels hydrated, clean and super refreshed. Step 3 is toning. So this is the toner, and it is as clear and pure as water. It's 100% alcohol free, and I really like alcohol free toners, guys. I usually like to splash some of the product onto my face, and it doesn't leave my skin tacky behind. Step 4 is daytime moisturizer, and this is the moisturizer. It's very milky, light, liquidy kind of a texture, and it easily gets penetrated into my skin. It feels immensely hydrating, softening, soothing, not at all sticky. I just love the texture, and I just love the effect that it has on my skin. Last step, that is step 5, is their night clarity gel. It's very light gel kind of a consistency and has a mild fragrance, mild green tea fragrance to it, which is very soothing, and it's really soothing, gentle on my skin, get easily absorbed. I love each and every product of this green tea variant. That was all for today's haul video, and I hope this video was really helpful for you all. And if it really was, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, do subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to stay updated with my new videos. And definitely I'm going to shop many more products from this range during the Plum's 6th birthday celebration sale. Which products you will shop for during the sale, do let me know in the comment section down below. See you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.